So this is my monitor, 32-inch Alienware, 4K. So let's get into it. Just put this, lay it flat.
So the first thing to do is you got to put the legs on it.
So the two tabs go in to the monitor.
And it just clicks in.
You want to add the base, which goes, I had it upside down. I'm an absolute genius. There's a thumb screw, and everybody loves thumb screws. And now we're gonna go grab a wire that connects to the computer. I'm just gonna put our wires on top of the PC that we just built. And it's a really good monitor, as you can tell. Oh, looks good. Feels good. Everything about it is good. And then we're gonna grab the wire with this thingy where you call. I don't know what this is called, but it has like the 3 thingy-majiggies. Now you got your cord that should connect into the monitor. And then we're gonna need an extension cord, I'm pretty sure, because it's not long enough. And then you wanna grab the next wire. Okay, there, that plugs into there. This is an HDMI cord. Okay, and then, so you don't want to tangle up the wires, so I'm going to straighten them out like this. There you go. So this USB has got to go to the 3.2, a Leviathan speaker. So we're just gonna go plug this into the PC. So first we got to take the caps off, because we have the caps on, it won't work, of course. And then you want to flip this around. And you want to plug this in. Sorry if I'm in the way. We're going to plug this in right here. Plugs perfectly in. And then you got to grab this little thing. And then I almost just slipped. And then you're going to try to find your spot that you're going to put it in.
So the speaker is a Razer Leviathan V2X. It's pretty good quality.
Yeah. These two can connect to my green wire, which is actually my extension cord. So we're just gonna plug this one in here, and then the monitor one right here. And you want to keep these away, because if these rub together over time, they actually becomes bad. And there we go. That is my setup. I could leave this down here, but I don't want to stretch these out, so I'll probably keep it like right here. You gotta snap back this. You gotta plug this in. Make sure it's good in there. This just brings better internet and stuff like that. It just says power on. Oh, please work. Oh, I just clicked it. Ooh.